Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery. Removal. Caution: the edges of the memory shield are sharp. Take care not to cut yourself when removing the shield. Remove the two 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the memory shield to the system board. Carefully release the memory shield from the clips that secure it to the motherboard and remove. Push both arms outward simultaneously to release the memory module to the spring tension position. Grasp the memory module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Reverse this procedure to install the memory module. Important: when installing the memory module, be sure to align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory module slot in the motherboard.